Tough news is 16 confirmed fatalities now. And folks, it's gonna get a lot higher. We believe there have been over 294 civilians rescued through these operations. I believe that number is actually pretty low because I know we're way over 100 rescued just from air operations, just from our incredible National Guard. In Perry County, they're still trying to figure out how many bridges they've lost. It's bad. If you're able to hear us right now in Eastern Kentucky, listen, we love you. We're going to make it.